say you're a small, cute Japanese boy going to this big world. To this big world.
James, you know.
Good morning, everybody!
Oh no, not yet.
My back. Do it,
Watch it.
You have a hammer. Take the hammer.
No, not 3, 2. We were at the Palisades hike. Hopefully there's a waterfall. There's not. We're gonna be all pissed off, and we're gonna throw the small Japanese boy in the dirty water.
Oh, please, I didn't bring my swim clothes.
What the fuck? I told you we were going to a goddamn waterfall.
It's in the bag, man.
Dude just fell.
Cute little Japanese boy in a big world.
Not the waterfall. This is not the waterfall.
Where's my hammer, James?
Jordan! What the fuck?
Where's my hammer?
That's a big
Where's my hammer?
Where's
Where's my hammer? Bro, hey, catch that fucking tree. Catch that tree behind you. Jamie, catch that tree. Hey, grab my hand, you fuck.
So we hit the waterfall, so it's gonna be like a 30-minute clip, all right? So get ready to edit this shit,
This
Jamie.
hike is haunted.
Every time we stop at the
Shit on my face.
My squad is on the come up. We just touched the ceiling. Girl, I'm really, really fucked up. I don't know what I'm feeling, but I want you. I'm going to Hawaii for the week.
There's a waterfall about 20 minutes down. We're gonna get some footage. We're gonna get some great, nice edits for you guys. And we're gonna warn you guys, there are borders here. So if you're gonna come with a big family, bring one sword. Like that.
I'm going to Hawaii for the weekend. You should come to what you thinking. Out in Yokohama, sipping on pina colada. Mix it up with that vodka, then I'm gone.
Every day I spend my time feeling
Yeah, bro! Shit! Damn! We are at the Palisades hike. Amazing, man. We really thought there was gonna be an L, but see our boys down there. Hike takes about 35 minutes. Very worth it, bro. It's in Pearl City. Just search it up, Palisades hike on Google Maps. You'll find that shit. We are here, bro. Sorry we took a long time to post. We got videos for y'all. We got content. Feed your boys all day. This is your motherfucker. Finished that hike. It was lit. How was it, man?
Cherry, bro.
Palisades Falls, I've never been here before. And I'm here with also a cute little Japanese kid.
Hot like a bitch, man.
And Brendan Fukoshi, aka Kuzo.
It was fun. I haven't hiked in a long ass time. But yeah, the payoff at the end, dude, the waterfall, best part. And then of course you get this when you come back. If you get it.
When they up all night, all the girls look nice. Everyone raised to the beat, yeah.
No, good hike, man. Bring your friends here. It takes about 30 minutes to come back up. So it's 1 hour.
Tell me where you wanna go. She loves palm trees.